talks prepared in speeches and are designed to give more speakers the opportunity to speak and build their confidence. So this is the power play round where you have to just step out of the track and hit the ball out of the park. The topic of the day is cricket in India an overrated sport? Is cricket an overrated sport in India? I repeat, is cricket an overrated sport in India? I call upon our first speaker in this session, Toastmaster Rajalakshmi. Toastmaster Rajalakshmi, over to you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Anshuman. The topic is cricket overrated in India. And while seeing this topic or hearing this topic, I feel like this question is being asked to a wrong person who doesn't have any idea or who do not watch cricket nowadays. Especially I was a cricket fan in 2000 to 2005, that period only. And yeah, that time I remember god of cricket Sachin and Yuvraj's 36 runs in an over, those times. And the question here is cricket overrated? I feel like yes, it is overrated. But at the same time, because crickets are like celebrity, and I'm pretty sure everyone must have googled this sentence before giving the speech. And celebrities and the cricketers, these are the most celebrated people. And unlike this, there are many unsung heroes also. So as we know, during this COVID also, the things are, there is nothing permanent. So this overrated situation of cricketers also will change in the coming days, though it is now, it is overrated. Yeah, thank you. Over to you, Toastmaster and Shuma.
Thank you, Toastmaster Rajalakshmi. Second up is Toastmaster Siji. Toastmaster Siji, over to you. Is cricket an overrated sport in India?
Good evening, all. Anjuman, I think as Rajalakshmi told, I am also not that much experienced.
You all can go ahead, whatever you all want to talk, it's fine.
Yeah, that's what I want to tell. As a cricket, yes, when I'm heard that cricket names, I can remember Sachin Tendulkar, Ajay Jadeja. I think that only coming to my mind. Anyway, I can see that yes, you are correct. I think cricket is overrated in India because they are, but I can say this. But now it's everyone is for my kids and all. No, they are very much interested. They are watching the cricket and they are playing. Everyone, in India also, in Dubai also, everyone is giving importance to sports. More importance to giving sports, especially cricket, football. Yeah, that's from my side, Anshuman. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Siji. Next up is our very own president, Toastmaster Anita. Toastmaster Anita, over to you. Is cricket an overrated sport in India?
Good evening, everyone. Yes, definitely, I would say cricket is an overrated sport in India, majorly because we do have the mass population of India is the ones who are on the village side, and they don't play, cricket a lot. They do play the other games like kabaddi and hockey and football and those kind of games. And those games, we do have good champions coming up, shaping up from, different parts of the India. But nevertheless, because cricket is kind of linked with so many ads, sponsors, collaborations, obviously, it's getting more and more overrated by as the day and as the years go by. So I think yes, definitely the new tournaments and everything is making it even more worse. It is definitely overrated, and I think the other sports need a chance. Over to you, Toastmaster today.
Thank you so much. Good to know that no one agrees with me over here. So the fourth speaker is Toastmaster Chandra. Toastmaster Chandra, is cricket an overrated sport in India? Toastmaster Chandra.
Sorry. Good evening, Toastmasters and guests. Yes, definitely. Is cricket an overrated sport in India? Yes, truly. because India, with being the third largest country in the world, has more than 100 billion population. With so many other sports, why only cricket has to be considered? But it is going on a mass scale, and that is how I would say that the cricket management, the Indian Association of Cricket, is very good at marketing, and they could sell the cricket game in a good manner, and that's how they are making it popular. Otherwise, there are other games like football, kabaddi, badminton, tennis, and wrestling, where Indians are championing at a world level. In the world, they are championing, pioneering in the competitions. We are getting so many gold medals in Olympics, but still the focus is only towards cricket, where being the most of the population being focusing towards it. So I say that cricket is overrated sport, but still I agree that we must not be so much talking more about it.
Okay, thank you, Toastmaster Chandra.
Thank you. Over to.
And fifth and finally is our under 19 rising star, Toastmaster Maheshwar. Toastmaster Maheshwar, is cricket an overrated sport in India? Toastmaster Maheshwar.
Good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Good evening, Toastmasters and guests. Today I am going to answer the question, is cricket an popular sport in India? Cricket is the most popular sport in India by far, I know, and is played almost everywhere in India. The Indian national cricket team won 2 World Cups and 2 ICC Champion Cups. And also they shared one ICC Cup with Sri Lanka. The domestic competition include the Rajni Trophy, the Duleep Trophy, the Indian Premier League, and the Challenger Trophy. In 2020, I watched many cricket matches with my dad, and all I know is that I'm mostly into football, so I don't know mostly about cricket. So thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Maheshwar. So to take you through the next innings, I would like to hand over the stage. Sorry. Before that, I would like to call upon our timer, Gavilian Mahadev, to present the timer report followed by the voting.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Toastmaster Rajalakshmi spoke for 56 seconds. Toastmaster Siji spoke for 43 seconds. Toastmaster Anita spoke for 51 seconds. Toastmaster Chandra spoke for 1 minute 15 seconds. Gavalier Maheshwar spoke for 58 seconds.
Yeah, you can proceed, Anshuman.
Okay. So to take you through the next innings, I would like to hand over the stage to our immediate past president and current area director of Area 32, Toastmaster Raghu, who will take over the evaluation session, our counter, grammarian report, and general evaluation. Over to you, Toastmaster Raghu.
Just a minute. I will just mute everything and come 1 sec. Good evening, Toastmasters and guests, dear Modi of the day, and dear Toastmasters. General evaluator, taking on this role improves critical thinking, organization, and time management